Okay, I'm going to do a little quick one before I make a cup of tea. So, I've made some variables for like the amulet of attack, defense, and mana, as well as the health one. So I need to actually make some prefabs. Now I'll probably just literally copy the prefabs, to be fair, because it's just an amulet. So, you know. But if I go into items, stat items, grab this amulet, plonk it out there somewhere. Yeah, that'll do. And then what I'll do is I'll rename this attack amulet. Okay, and then I'm going to grab this and plonk it. Actually, call this amulet of attack. Then drag this into here as amulet of attack. Then literally call this amulet of defense, and give it a name of defense amulet, and then drag the amulet of defense into there. Then we'll give this a new name of amulet of mana, and call it mana amulet, and then drag this amulet of mana into here. Now I need to pop into the gacha controller and add amulet of health, and then swap that out, or rather copy that. Amulet of attack, amulet of defense, and amulet of mana. Now we need to do like amulet of health, a couple of them, amulet of attack, defense, mana, attack again there. Then maybe a green gem. Okay, so we got a few more things, sort of mix and match there. Now I can go back into the gacha machine, and amulet of health is actually amulet, so I'm just going to rename that amulet of health. Oops. Actually, I'm not. Amulet's still going to stay amulet. I'm going to just do this. This current amulet of mana now is going to be renamed amulet of health. And give it a name of health amulet, and then that's going in there. Now I'm gonna go gacha machine and grab like amulet of health for the health one, amulet of attack for that one, amulet of defense, and Amulet of Mana. There we go. So it's fairly simple. Now if I press play, it will populate all these. There's 17 possibilities now. Now I'm going to press delete on the Amulet of Health that's here. Keep an eye on the player and press G. I have a green gem. Amulet of something. I don't know what that's to. I can't pick up any of these at the moment. Oh, that's untagged even. No, it's player that's untagged. What's this? Let's click on that. Amulet of Mana. It's a trigger. It's collectible. So I don't have a... Oh, I know why. Yeah, my collision over here somewhere. Where is it? No, it's a gacha. Where's my player controller? Health amulet, but no other amulet. So I could do this. Okay. So we've got this amulet of where are we? No, that is the health amulet, sorry. Okay. Attack amulet. So we'll change this to be okay. Defense. So there are a lot of better ways to do this, by the way. I'm just doing it a rough and ready sort of way to kind of just get it working. Because a lot of this can be templated and automated, so it would be completely different sort of setup. Where are we? You collected. Well, you didn't collect a purple gem, but yeah. Okay, and change this to mana. Okay, so theoretically that should work. Let's start that again. Let's get rid of that. And then G. Oops. Generate a few things. There we go. So we look at what that amulet was. If I go to my player, what have I got? It was an amulet of health, and it gave me an extra 10 health. Now if I press H, I can remove that amulet, like so. And now I've only got 10 max health. There we go. A couple of gems. So if I go back now and start pressing G again, let's grab all that. I've got 1 amulet of defense and 2 amulet of health, so I've got like an extra 20 max health and a 10 max defense. Since I had 0 max defense to start with, that's good. And if I press H, that's got rid of all the amulet of health. I haven't put one to lose defense or other things yet. I'll have a play with that and stuff. But yeah, so that's about all for that. I think it's almost been like 10 minutes again. So yeah, we'll call that one a video. I'll get rid of this amulet of health here. The gacha machine seems to be working nicely. Which is pretty cool. Right, so I'll see you in the next video then. I'll go and make a cup of tea and I'll make a new video anyway.